Hey, my name is 𝘎𝘢𝘬𝘯𝘀 and I'm a Jamaican real estate agent with 𝘓𝘢𝘬𝘯𝘀 Realty Group. In this video, I'll be giving you a walkthrough tour of this lovely apartment that I have up for sale in Hills Manor, Montego Bay. We're going to apartment 11 and it's just down the stairs, so follow me. This neighborhood is very well taken care of, with a maintenance fee of just $9,600 per month. One parking space is assigned and there are no flooding nor sewage issues. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment is 1,076 square feet and is centrally located just under 5 minutes away from Sangster International Airport, downtown, and the famous Hip Strip, well known for the attractive dining, duty-free shopping, Doctor's Cave Beach, and exciting nightlife activities. The current owners chose to situate their dining area just outside of the kitchen for easy access and convenience. This kitchen is very homely with built-in display cabinets and a granite countertop and backsplash to match. We've now arrived at the first of the 2 bathrooms, beautifully done and fully equipped with a shower, toilet, sink, and faucet. Okay, so now we're entering the primary bedroom. Let's turn on the lights. As you can see, it's big enough to fit any size bed you'd like. I love the bay window. You can always add some pillows to it, and I think that some fairy lights would look really nice around it. We have the bathroom right here and a wall partition for extra privacy. The dining and living areas offer ample space for entertainment, making this apartment great for hosting guests. We have now arrived at the secondary bedroom, placed at the opposite side of the apartment, giving enough space for privacy. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a viewing, give me a call at 876-496-0528. That's 876-496-0528. And thank you for watching.